I'm Jan de Breed, Safety Instrumented Systems Consultant for Yokogawa. I'm responsible for marketing and sales support of ProSafe RS in North America. ProSafe RS is Yokogawa's safety system. It is TUV certified, compliant with IEC 61508, 61511 or SP84, NFPA 85 and 72. It can be used in emergency shutdown, burner management and fire and gas systems. It is certified for use in up to and including SIL 3 safety instrumented functions. In this video I will show the ProSafe RS hardware. This is the staging area. Here we assemble and test our systems, like ProSafe RS. This is a ProSafe RS system. Let's start having a look at the field I/O termination. There are several ways to do that. One is the termination directly on the I/O module. Field cable or cross wiring is connected to the I/O modules using screw terminals. This is the most space efficient termination. It is used in cases where space is limited, like offshore platforms or small equipment rooms where safety systems need to be added. Another way of termination is termination boards. System cables connect the boards to the I/O modules. Two sets of redundant I/O modules connect to one termination board. For instance, in case of analog inputs, one termination board serves 32 analog signals. Look at the size of the screw terminals. Nice big M4 screws will connect thick field I/O cable. The analog I/Os are voltage inputs, 4 to 20 milliamp analog inputs with hard interface, 2 and 4 wire, 4 to 20 analog outputs, also with hard interface. The built-in hard interface eliminates the need of a separate hard network. It enables transmitter diagnostics and partial stroke testing from the control room. The digital I/Os are 24 volt DC input with line monitoring and a 1 millisecond sequence of event recording on the I/O module itself. Several types of 24 volt DC outputs provide ratings of up to 2 amps. There's also a 0.5 amp 120 volt AC output, all with line monitoring. Each rack has its own dual redundant power supply. It will take less than 2 amp in a fully configured rack, including sourcing the I/O module powered field I/O. You can put up to 10 racks in a cabinet. Small racks take little space and keep the cabinet weight very low. Remote I/O is also possible. The I/O bus is converted directly to fiber optic. The fiber optic cable connects to a rack in this way on both ends. As you see, it can connect several I/O racks with one fiber optic connection. It can cover a distance of 32 miles. Here are the CPUs. Like the I/O modules, the CPUs can be dual redundant. With the ProSafe RS pair and spare architecture, a single CPU and or I/O module can already be used in SIL 3 loops. The dual redundant configuration adds to the availability. With pair and spare, a failure of one module will keep the system at the same safety integrity. It will not degrade. Thanks for having a look at the ProSafe RS Logic Solver hardware. It provides the most cost-effective solution for SIL 1, 2 and 3 safety instrumented functions with the highest availability.